Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, if you're having a problem, especially Toyotas, if you're having a problem with your gas gauge needle, if it's stuck on E, if it's stuck on full, or if it's working slowly and it is hesitating to go back to E, okay, this could be a problem. Don't run out and buy a new sending unit. Don't take your car to the dealer. They're gonna charge you a lot of money. Okay, this is what you do. All right, you take this out. Okay, let me show you. There's a clip right here. There's a clip right here. You press it back and you push. And you push up. You push up. You pull the clip back right here and you push up. You will see it. It's not hard to spot. And what you do is, there's a little clip right here that you press. You press and you take this off. You take this off. Now this here, you take this out, comes out very easy. Very easy. See, slides out. And what you do is, you see these two pins here? Actually, these pins from going up and down, it doesn't make a proper connection. So what you do, you bend this back. You bend both of them back like this. You bend it back. Okay? And you put it back together. It's very easy. You put it back together. You slide it in back. See? Slide it in back. Now it's making connection. Now this here, the floater, you put the floater back in. Let me see. Okay, you put the floater back in like this. Okay. Okay, and you just clip it back in. Okay, easy. 1, 2, 3. Clip right back in. Okay, you see? See, it's making connection of good connection. Okay, you put it back in. Okay, this is how you do it. This is the groove right here. It goes into this upside down T right here. Okay, you just put it in like this. You put it in like this. You press this back and you slide it down. It's that simple. Okay guys, that's all for now. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I hope this helped your situation. Okay. Good luck.